Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous sunny Henderson, Tennessee. And you know, we've been having a little trouble getting these things. There's not a lot of dump trucks around of any type, but you know us, we like to hold out for the good ones, and here we got one right here. This is a 2018 International. Yeah, I know it's running the Cummins motor, don't worry about that part. Nice little single axle. It's got a Ledwell bed on back. It's got the manual tarp on it. Look at how clean this is. Back tires are like new. Front tires are spectacular. All the body on it is good. Pretty grills. They did a nice job with this International the last few years. Nice, straight, clean truck. This is a 5 to 6 yard dump. And it's so clean because it's got under 10,000 miles on it. Yeah, that's right, under 10,000 miles. Where do you find them? Well, you find them right here, that's it. So, 2018 International 4300 series, got the Cummins motor under the hood. It's got the Allison automatic, Ledwell body on it. 5 to 6 yard dump is what the tag says on it. So the truck originally was built by International at a 33,000 pound GVW. Wait a minute, Dave, I gotta have a CDL driver. Well, let me show you what Ledwell does. Ledwell re-rates it right there, right by my thumb, 25,999. Now guess what, that makes it non-CDL because you can't carry any more weight than that in there. So you're going to cross the scale under 26,001, so you're good shape. Look at the condition. As I say, this truck has under 10,000 miles on it. Oh, let me turn that radio off. We don't need that. At least we as well turn it down. Speaking of that nice little radio right there, let's see, what do we got? Seek scan, nice little sound system. Air conditioning is nice and cold. Allison 5-speed, looks like that's what that might be. Automatic transmission. And you got your Ledwell controls right there for the dump body. Looks like an aftermarket trailer brake. You don't get my coffee cup. Don't get excited. Cruise control built right into the steering wheel here. And hopefully that'll show up for you. That is 1,700 hours, 1,700 hours. And we'll go through this up here for you. Let's see, where are you? 9,655 miles. 9,600 mile truck. Unbelievable. Such a baby doll. Everything on this truck works exactly like you think it should and looks just like it should. It's a 10,000 mile truck. Absolutely spectacular, and it's sitting right here waiting for you. Not one of those cons like you get on the new ones where they show you a picture but they really don't have one in stock. This truck is sitting right here waiting for you. Take a look at the website. I got the pictures of it with the tarp down, with the bed up, the whole 9 yards. It's all just right there waiting for you. 2018 International, running a Cummins motor, Allison automatic transmission, straight, clean, Ledwell 5 to 6 yard body. It's got the manual tarp on it. It's got tires are great, and under 10,000 miles. Where do you find them? I don't know. Just here. That's the only place I know of. Beautiful truck. If you can use that, you give me a call. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, we greatly appreciate you looking.